Welcome to Review Parks. Search for reviewparks.com.
Vehicle preparation segment of the Redcat Racing Pit Stop How-To video series. I'm Matt LeMay, and in this segment, we'll discuss important steps that must be completed before running your new Redcat Racing Nitro vehicle. We'll pre-use prep check the vehicle, adding thread lock to ensure mount points are secured, oiling the air filter, installing new AA. It's good practice to check screws and parts for tightness on any new RC vehicle. Any screw nested into metal should be removed and have blue medium thread lock applied to the threads. Now, the most important screws to be thread locked are those screwed into the engine mounts. Vibration from nitro engines quickly loosens these screws, which results in stripped gears. Now, there's no need to apply thread lock to screws nested into plastic. If the screws won't tighten from excess wear, use a little epoxy or shoe glue on the threads to ensure a tighter fit. Medium CA can also be used, though it may make plastic brittle. Make sure to check all rotating and pivoting parts for smooth operation. If there is any binding, inspect and adjust as needed. This should be remedied before vehicle. Plastic tube packaged with the instruction manual. Now take this plastic tube and thread the receiver antenna through it. This will help protect the antenna from damage. Your Redcat Racing Nitro vehicle uses 4 AA batteries to power the receiver and servos. Find the box which houses these batteries and insert 4 new AA batteries into the holder. Be sure to line up proper positive and negative sides. Here's a tip. Always put the flat or negative side of the battery onto the spring. Tuck the battery holder back into the battery box and secure the cover. Now place 8 new AA batteries into the bottom of the transmitter following the same positive-negative guidelines. Slide the cover back into place, and we'll perform a radio range check in just a moment. The air filter attached to the engine will need to have air filter oil applied to help keep out fine dust particles. Any form of dirt, dust, or debris can create serious problems if entered into the engine. Now, this next step is very important. Apply air filter oil to the air filter before starting the engine. Begin by removing the foam filter element. Then, using a plastic bag like this one, add several drops of oil and work it into the air filter like so. Make sure the filter is completely covered, adding more oil if necessary. When completed, remove any excess oil with a paper towel. You want to saturate the filter with enough oil to catch any dirt, but not so much as to restrict airflow. Do not use regular multi-purpose oil for this step. You must use filter pre-treat oil. This is a sticky oil designed to catch dust particles. You are now ready to move on to the Breaking in Your Nitro Engine segment of the Pit Stop How-To video series brought to you by Redcat Racing. I'm Matt LeMay, reminding you